Kennedy. So it looks like we have an old, really dusty Kennedy box here. Pardon me on my voice. I know it sounds really raspy, but we've been battling this here virus for almost 3 weeks now. Oh, that's what's left from the other tool haul. Well, if you didn't, go back in our videos, give us a like and follow for more. Go check out that tool haul. I believe this was the last tool haul video that we had posted. Bunch of good things in there, so check it out. It will be going up on eBay once we get ratchets rebuilt and everything cleaned up, yada yada yada. So nothing down there, just this small, what do we got here? Kennedy kits, style number KK19, Kennedy Manufacturing Company, made in USA. That's cool. Anywho, before I go too much further, is this like a laser etching, or is it something I can maybe print out and like a template and paint over the top? I did, before we go too far, we are restoring this box, so I did go ahead, went and found this, I guess it's just satin color is what it is, 2-in-1 Rust-Oleum, but I'd imagine over time, this box has faded a little. The paint has. Maybe it is more like a burnt sunset orange. I don't know, whatever fancy color the wife said. Blew my mind. But anywho, this is what we found at Walmart. I figured if we just redid the whole thing, because I was originally just going to do the box as it was given to me from a family member from a garage sale. Well, my Uncle Mikey's dad passed. In the garage sale, there was a bunch of stuff that they kept. There's other things he said, you could have at some point in time, but I guess slowly as he went through them, no damage to the box. It's just all stuff that'll quote-unquote buff out. So we're gonna, I guess, just refinish this box and restore it a little bit. This is a really solid, heavy-duty box. This latch is just, I mean, that thing could keep Bigfoot out. The handle, usually these are all cracked up and junk, but this is more so like a harder, soft plastic. I don't even know. Anywho, really nice flip-top lid. This is a solid tray that pulls out. I mean, if you wouldn't guess that by the size of the Allen key sitting in there. But yeah, story behind it is Mikey, he used to work at a place called Wilhole here in Central PA. It was just a giant, like plastic processing plant or something like that. All the workers had a little box similar to this with, random similar tools in each one that, like that, pretty much just your little grab and go maintaining or doing maintenance on equipment. But when he told me he was going to bring by some bigger Allen keys, I was like, yeah, cool, I'll take them. That's like 7/8, 1 inch. That thing's massive. We did go through these beforehand and try to make out names on some of them. And it was really hard, but you guys see it. I mean, look at them. We got this guy here is fairly straight. This is I believe this one was a no-name. Yes. So we sit that back in there. That one was a no-name. This one as well was a no-name, but there's a slight twist on it. Here we go. Starting to get into some names. Unbreako. Yeah, Unbreako. They just bendo. That one, as you may be able to see, has a bit of a twist in it. That one was a 5/8. If you guys have any recollection of these brands, go ahead and comment below. Unbreako, I'm not sure how you would spell that or pronounce it. UNBRAKO. That one's a 5/8. The one in front of it was a 5/8. This was no name, no size stamping. I'm sure we can figure it out with a quick measurement, but we're past that. I believe this big long behemoth was a no name as well. Once again, we have a good twisted end on it, but I mean, that one's, you really get some leverage on that one. It's about 15 inches long. That's half as wide as my 35-inch roll cart. Anywho, no name, no brand. This really big behemoth here. Sorry about that. The phone call paused the video, I guess. Anywho, this really big behemoth is a 7/8 Unbraco, once again, or Unbraco, however you want to pronounce that. Believe it or not, there is a slight twist on that. I mean, you would have had to get a bar on that thing, or maybe even another machine, like a forklift or something, but wow. There is a slight twist. There is a slight twist in there, so somebody was really maintaining something. And then I believe this one as well was stamped. Maybe not. That one again has a very slight twist to it, but looks more uniform than some of the other ones. So really, that is all our tool haul consists of, guys. Some freaking extra large hex or Allen keys, whatever. There's some stuff from the previous tool haul. But yeah, give us your thoughts below. We was planning on restoring this box. That's why we got some paint. And we was really curious about how to redo that. That latch is super stiff. It's like spring-loaded too. Really cool. Anywho, we're unsure how to do this, whether we can get some sort of, some for sort of like template offline or not, but we're going to restore this box. In the meantime, y'all give us your thoughts below on what you think about this little old school tool haul. Not much, but I've really been wanting one of these old school style boxes for carrying around when we're going out, doing things outside on the equipment, down the fields, whatever. So until the final product is revealed, or the restoration is revealed, you all stay tuned and drop the comments below. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe for more. YoTech Matt out.